let me ask you something. When you hear the word minimalism, what image flashes in your mind? A crisp white shirt, a beige coat, black trousers, maybe a gray blazer hanging neatly on a rack. For most of us, minimalism has been sold as a palette of neutrals only, the quiet whites, the soft creams, the moody blacks. And while there's truth in that elegance, here's the secret nobody tells you. Minimalism doesn't mean colorless. Minimalism is about restraint. It's about clarity. It's about intentional choices that look rich because they're refined. And yes, you can achieve this richness without living in beige or black. You can be radiant in emerald, royal in burgundy, serene in powder blue, and still look minimalist. So, in today's video, we'll explore the world of colorful minimalism, how to dress with color in a way that feels effortless, sophisticated, and yes, rich. Part 1. Redefining minimalism. Minimalism isn't about subtraction. It's about essence. It's about what remains when you strip away the noise. When it comes to fashion, we often mistake minimalism for lack of color, as if elegance requires living inside a black and white movie. But true minimalism is about harmony. It's about creating a wardrobe where every piece feels intentional, uncluttered, and timeless. Colors can live in that world. Think of a Japanese tea house. Simple lines, muted light, and then the sudden glow of a red camellia on a wooden table. That's minimalism. Not overwhelming, not chaotic, just one statement that feels pure. So instead of asking, should I wear a color if I'm minimalist? Ask, which colors add depth without adding noise? Part 2. The power of a single shade. Minimalism with color works best when the palette is edited. Instead of a rainbow, think of your wardrobe as a painting with just a few carefully chosen pigments. You don't need 10 shades of pink. You just need one. Maybe a dusty rose blouse that feels soft, yet luxurious. Rich-looking wardrobes often rely on commitment to a single tone in a look. For instance, a deep olive green dress, paired with gold hoops and nude sandals. A sky blue shirt, crisp against tailored trousers, with nothing else competing. The eye loves clarity, and clarity looks expensive. Part 4. The art of balance. Here's the golden rule. If your color speaks, let the rest of your outfit stay silent. For example, if you're wearing a bold emerald top, pair it with sleek black trousers and delicate shoes. If you choose a burgundy skirt, let your blouse stay cream or soft blush. Minimalism with color is all about allowing one hero at a time. Accessories also play a role. Stick to clean shapes, a single ring, a pair of hoops, a delicate chain. Avoid piling up, because excess, even in jewelry, kills minimalism. Part 5. Texture matters more than print. Another secret, looking rich is rarely about the price tag. It's about the finish. Colors look more refined when the fabric has depth. Emerald green in silk looks luxe. Burgundy in velvet feels royal. Powder blue in linen whispers quiet sophistication. Prints, however, can complicate minimalism. Stick to solids or the softest patterns, stripes, tiny checks, or tone-on-tone textures. This way, your colors shine without clutter. Part 6. Capsule Color Wardrobe. Now imagine building your minimalist wardrobe not with 50 pieces, but with just a handful of colorful essentials. A navy blazer, a burgundy dress, an emerald blouse, a camel trench, a powder blue shirt. Mix them with neutral anchors like black trousers, white tops, and beige skirts. Suddenly, your closet feels alive, yet uncluttered. Every piece has a purpose. Every outfit feels intentional. And you never look like you're trying too hard. Part 7. The emotional side of color. Minimalism with color isn't just about style. It's about mood. Colors change how we feel. A lavender top can calm you on a stressful day. Burgundy can give you confidence in a room full of strangers. Emerald can make you feel creative and alive. When you choose colors with intention, your wardrobe stops being just clothes. It becomes your emotional toolkit. And that, more than anything, makes you look effortlessly rich. Because richness is not about money, it's about presence. So here's the truth. You don't need to live in beige and black to look minimalist. You don't need to give up color to look wealthy. Minimalism with color is about choosing wisely, editing fearlessly, and wearing shades that tell the world, I know who I am and I don't need noise to prove it. Next time you reach for your wardrobe, ask yourself, is this piece intentional? Does it bring clarity? Does it carry richness in simplicity? That is where style is born. That is where elegance lives. If you enjoyed this journey into minimalist color, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dress, Dine, and Shine, where we explore elegance, beauty, and the quiet power of intentional living. Because at the end of the day, true style doesn't shout, it whispers, and the world listens.